Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to remove Metamask account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. If you want to remove your Metamask wallet account, then here is how you can easily and securely do it. Before proceeding, there are some few important steps you will need to make sure that you follow. The first thing to do is to make sure you are not accidentally deleting your main or active account. Another thing to do is to back up your secret recovery phrase. To do so, go and tap open your Metamask application and then log into your account. Once you're signed into your wallet, go ahead and back up your recovery phrases. If you ever lose access to your device or forget your password, these phrases will play an important role on recovering your wallet. So in order to find them, go and tap on the gear button at the bottom right and then tap on Security and Privacy. Tap on Reveal Secret Recovery Phrase and answer some of your questions. You will also need to enter your password in order to reveal your backup phrases. Make sure to write down your phrases in a piece of paper. Once you've backed up your recovery phrases, from the Security and Privacy section, scroll all the way down and tap on the Delete Wallet option. Tap on I understand in the pop-up and type in delete. Tap Delete My Wallet button and you will then be able to remove an account from Metamask. As long as you have your secret recovery phrases, you can import your wallet again anytime you want. So that is how you can easily remove an account from Metamask. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.